Hey there guys, in this quick video I'm going to share with the best virtual machines and which one is better in what and what I recommend to actually use in what specific situations. So the VMware is mature and polished. It's around for a really long time right now and it's well tested. So this is performance, good efficiency, especially with hardware visualization. It's feature rich, you're gonna have snapshots, cloning, complex networking setups. You can have also the cross-platform host support and recent licensing changes. Now, when we go further, the cons. You're going to have the cost and licensing. So this is something that you have to be actually be aware of. It's expensive. You're going to have some free triggers, but you have to be aware of that. Resource usage, because all the extra features and polish, it uses more resources for CPU, RAM and disk, and it's complex for the beginners. So that's for the VMware what you actually have to be kind of aware of. Now the next one is Virtualbox. So this one is free open source, so that's very good. It's accessible, especially good for personal use, good guest OS variety and compatibility, also cross-platform host support, and user-friendly UI setup. So this is also really good, the Virtualbox. Now when we're gonna move further, you're gonna have the Hyper-V. So this one, it's built into Windows. It tends to have better performance. Now what I want to also share with you about the Virtualbox is that you can have performance overhead. It's less efficient under heavy loads compared to VMware or Hyper-V. Also feature limitations. Some advanced features are weak and also less enterprise for grade. So for large deployments, clustering, live migration, Virtualbox is not usually the choice. And you can have the constraints here for the USB. So it supports USB, but sometimes performance or stability is weaker. Now the Hyper-V. So here for that, what you can actually expect, it's built into Windows. You can have integration with Windows Microsoft ecosystem. So that's something that is very good. Also, you can have cost advantage. If you have Windows Server, Windows Pro, Hyper-V is often included. And you can have live migration, dynamic memory, replication, and secure boot. And now the cons. So the host OS dependence and ecosystem lock. Really best when host is Windows. Graphic gaming desktop use limitations is less refined in desktop GUI. And it's complex for non-server use. And you have also the licensing and feature restrictions. So these are primarily that what you can do. The last one is the Qemu, and what you can actually expect that with Qemu is that it's flexible, powerful, and wide hardware architecture support, open source, no licensing costs, fine-grained control, near native performance with hardware acceleration. So that's something that you can actually expect. And the cons, you have steep learning curve, more effort for usability features, graphics 3D GPU pass-through, and you have limitations for non-Linux hosts. So this is really good for Linux. And that's for that. So that's pretty much it what I wanted to share with you. It really depends what you actually need. And thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.